At the moment, as we speak, there are more than 2,100 unaccompanied refugee children that are in Greece. Indeed, this government has created a special secretariat for unaccompanied minors, and the issue of children is high on the political agenda. These are steps in the right direction. There has been a decrease of children living outside of long-term support, but there are still 300 kids that are outside of long-term accommodation, meaning shelters and semi-independent autonomous living. The challenges we face every day is in the provision of the right care for these children, because of course a roof over their head is not enough. These kids need access to healthcare, access to education, access to the job market when they become 18. And I was very happy to hear the minister announce the new program for those who become 18. However, at the moment, the legal system is posing a lot of challenges for us. Because if these kids don't get asylum, they remain essentially invisible. So still 1 in 4 children in our shelters don't have access to healthcare because they are not registered with the asylum service. Because of the delays in those registrations, we have very vulnerable cases like kids with kidney disease who get their asylum applications not processed or rejected, and then care is not possible for them. So 1 in 4 is still a big percentage, and those kids can't have access to education either because they can't be provided with the right certificates. A similar problem exists for those who become 18, and even though we provide to them the right training, they can't be employed. So there are challenges that we face because these kids have to be supported through a holistic system of child protection. We heard from Per how vulnerable they are, how traumatized they are. So they need time, and they need an intensive support to be able to heal and then integrate, because these kids are going to stay here. And instead of a burden, they can be what we call a miracle for society. And in terms of social sustainability, it's better to integrate these children and to provide the right services and support so that they can become active citizens in society. If we don't change the way that we legally support this population, for example, according to the latest ministerial decision, refugees coming from 5 countries, Afghanistan, Syria, Bangladesh, Pakistan, they are not Turkey is considered a safe country for them. And this is valid for children that are above 15. So that means more than 85% of the population of unaccompanied minors. So if those kids are not legally supported and they are not legal in the country, they become invisible. So any kind of service support is not available for them, causing a big problem in our work. We've witnessed how these kids can become very positive factors for our society. So in terms of social sustainability, it's crucial to invest in their education and then in their long-term integration. But in order to do that, we need to enhance the legal framework to make them visible and to allow them to be children again.